So hey fam, good morning from my side. Your girl Blackforestprincess here, all the way from Blackforest, Germany, originally from Kenya. So guys, today oh, I'm late, my train is also coming. I hope everybody's doing fine. So guys, today I want to drive with you. It's called the Black Forest train. That's it. So this train drives, you drive through all the Black Forest mountains, like through the tunnels in the mountains. And so let's drive the Black Forest train. I hope I'm going to have a window seat so that I can show you guys. So let's get inside. Oh, I almost missed it, guys. So I think we're going upstairs. So my people, your girl is traveling again because I want to show you some beautiful places. And before I reach my destination, I thought because it is very interesting, I thought why not introduce to you guys our beautiful Black Forest Railway. And our Black Forest Railway is very well known. It's one of the popular rail routes for visitors, and it traverses the Kinzig Valley with its attractive villages like our village. So the town of Triberg, you guys remember Triberg from my previous videos, the waterfalls. So this train also passes through this forest. So the most important thing is in Black Forest, guys, it's a lot of forest, but then we also have mountains, or would we call them mountains? Let's call them valleys. So the train passes through through the mountains, and that means it goes through so many tunnels. There are I think there are about 39 tunnels. So from the place I alight our train station. So usually I love taking this train because it goes through so beautiful scenarios, guys. It's so beautiful. And even in winter, so imagine all those trees with snows. It's also very romantic. And so I thought, I wish the weather was so good, and then my window doesn't look so clean. I think this is from the outside, but I hope you can enjoy the ride. And I advise anybody that is in Black Forest, please make sure you go, you try the famous Black Forest train or Black Forest Railway. And it's also not very expensive depending on where you want to go. And yeah, so this is my favorite train. I really love it. And you can see, guys, look at that scenario. Beautiful. And yeah, you always also see so many, those small villages. Look at that, guys. That's another village, a small village. And yeah, so the railway passes through all these beautiful places. And I'm traveling to somewhere very I hope you guys will like my destination. I'm not telling you yet, but definitely you're going to like it. It's beautiful town, beautiful cities coming. But right now, let's enjoy our beautiful historical Black Forest Railway. So beautiful.
Bieg in Fahrtrichtung links.
Fahrrichtung links. He's saying Fahrrichtung links. The next stop is on the left side. And in Black Forest, there are so many trains. You can take this train in Black Forest to that beautiful waterfall. that town. What was it? Triberg from my previous video. Look at that, guys. That's another village. So beautiful. This is one of my favorite train. Oh, that's me. And the tunnels, guys, the tunnels are, some of them are very long, even up to 30 or 40 seconds. So you can imagine I was trying to, you know, just cut them short so that it doesn't get so boring. Oh, that's another village. So beautiful. And Blackforest train has become one of the best known and an example of many other mountain railways in the world, guys. In Blackforest, there's so many places that are well known in the whole world. So we also call it Blackforest Railway Adventure. Of course, it is an adventure. Like you can take a day trip, just, you know, through Blackforest and come back. So my sweet neighbor is just sneezing there. Let's excuse him. And the train was also so full, and I'm so happy I got the window seat. Look at that, guys. That's so beautiful. So anybody, if you come to Blackforest, make sure you come and we take the Blackforest railway. So that's me just arriving in my where I'm going to take my connection train, the next train. That's me. Oh, and then I had to buy some presents because I had one hour stop. I had to buy some presents for the kids. Oh, look at that. And this town is called Offenburg. It's also so beautiful. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very short, so I hope you love, but I'll make sure I make a winter video of the Blackforest Railway. So bye, guys.